Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you, Zan?
Alhamdulillah.
How was your day?
Alhamdulillah.
It's great, mashallah. And did you practice your lesson at home?
Yes.
Very good. You are come on time, mashallah. May Allah bless you more in your knowledge. And first you tell me, have you performed? Would you like this?
Yes.
That's great, mashallah. So now we should recite the dua for increase in knowledge. So now read dua.
Allahumma Rabbi zidni ilma.
And the translation.
Oh, may Rob increase my knowledge.
Say Allahumma ameen.
Allahumma ameen.
Okay. So let's start our today's class with ta'awuz and then tasmiyah. So ta'awuz.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim.
And read tasmiyah.
Bismillahir rahmanir rahim.
Okay, so let's start our lesson. And today we are going to start lesson number 9. And the lesson number 9, the ladders of lean. Are you ready?
Yes.
First, we have a principle about this lesson. The first rule is that there are 2 ladders of lean. How many ladders of lean? 2. Yes. Wow and ya. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. And when there is a zabar before a waw sakina, so it becomes a waw lean, like ba, wow, zabar, bow. Do you understand? Why are you laughing? Are you happy today? Okay, very good, mashallah. May Allah bless you. Okay, and listen. When there is a zabar before a ya sakina, so it becomes a ya lean. It's simple. Do you understand?
Yes.
And the letters of lean are pronounced gently in an Arabic accent without any stretching or sudden pausing. So let's start our lesson and listen. Tell me, what is this sign?
Zabar.
And what is this sign?
Bash.
No, this sign.
Zabar.
Jazm sign?
Jazm sign.
Yes, very well. This is Zabar sign and this is Jazm sign. And Waw has Jazm sign on it, so it's called Sakin. Waw Sakin. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, and listen. Zabar before a Waw Sakina, so it becomes Waw lean. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
It looks like it's Sam lesson number 8, the letters of Madda. Am I right?
Yes.
And listen, it's a difference. Pesh before a Waw Sakina, so it becomes Waw Madda. You have already learned. And Zabar, if you see Zabar sign before the Waw Sakina, so it becomes Waw lean. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, very well. And listen, this is Zabar sign and this is Jazm, and Ya has Jazm sign on. This is called Ya Sakina. Zabar before a Ya Sakina, so it becomes Ya lean. It's simple, very simple. It's very easy. You understand? And we have already learned in lesson number 8, Zair before a Ya Sakina, so it becomes Ya Madda. But Zabar before a Ya Sakina, so it becomes Ya lean. It's a difference. So try to remember this difference. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Very good, mashallah. Okay. And do you know how do we pronounce? How do we read it? This one. It's simple. Like first we will read the first letter. Then we will read the second letter, ba, wow. Then we will read the haraka, ba, wow, zabar, bow.
Bow.
Yes, and read without spelling, bow.
Bow.
Yes, and we have already learned sakin letter is read with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, and ba has zabar sign on it, so it's called mutaharrik. And jazm has Waw has jazm sign on it, so it's called sakin. So sakin letter is read with the mutaharrik letter like ba, wow, samar, bow. Do you understand? Okay. Do you want to read by yourself this one with spelling?
Ya.
No, the first letter is ba.
Ba ya zabar ba.
Ba ya zabar
Biu.
bai.
Bai.
Yes. Ba ya zabar bai.
Ba ya zabar bai.
Okay, so do you have any question?
No.
Do you understand vowelin and yalin?
Yes.
So listen, I am tearing again. Zabar before a vaw sakina, so it becomes vowelin. And zabar before a ya sakina, so it becomes yalin. And can you tell me how are the letters of lean pronounced?
Without stretching.
Yes, very well, mashallah. Okay. Now read this one with spelling. Try to read.
Ta wow zabar tau tu.
No, it's not two.
Tau.
Yes, very well. When you read zabar, so open your mouth like ta, wow, zabar, tau.
Ta wow zabar tau.
Yes, now read this one.
Ta yo zel. Tui.
Is it zer or zabar?
Zabar.
So read again. Ta, ya, zabar, tai,
Ta yo zabar toi.
tai.
Tai.
And read without spelling.
Tui.
No. Ta has zabar on it, tau.
Tau.
And now read this one.
Tui.
Tai.
Tai.
Yes, because ta has zabar on it. So when you read zabar, so open your mouth and raising your voice like ta, ya, zabar, tai. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now read this one by yourself with spelling.
Fa wo pesh. Fi.
Is it pesh?
Fi. Zabar.
So read again. Sa, wow, zabar, shaw.
Fa wo zabar fau.
Yes. And then
Fa yo zed. Fa yo zabar fa. Fi.
sa, ya, zabar, sai.
Fa yo zabar fi.
Then you read yo. It's yo or ya.
Ya.
Yes, listen. Sa, ya, zabar, sai.
Fa yo zabar fi.
Yes, sau,
Fau.
sai.
Fi.
And tell me which rule is happening here.
Zabar before a jazm sign.
No, wow, sakina.
A waw sakina.
So it becomes
So it becomes
wowlin.
Wylene.
Wowlin.
Wowlene.
Yes, and you can say same zabar before a ya sakina, so it becomes yalin. And how are the letters of lean pronounced?
Without stretching.
Yes, and listen, harakat and the letters of lean are pronounced without stretching or suddenly pausing the voice. But khadi harakat like khada zabar, khadi zer and ulta pesh and the letters of madda are pronounced with stretching. It's a difference. Try to remember. Do you understand? Okay. Now read this one with spelling.
Jim waw zabal jwa.
Read again. Jim, wow, zabar, jaw.
Jim waw zabal jaw.
Okay, look here. You repeat after me. Jim, wow, zabar, jaw.
Jim waw zabal jaw.
Listen. Look here, please. Keep your focus on screen. We are discussing an important lesson then. Now we will learn something new. Okay? In this lesson. Jim, wow, zabar, jaw.
Jim waw zabal jaw.
How long do you say the letter James?
1.
No. 3 seconds. So we have to read with proper stretching. Jim, wow, zabar, jaw.
Jim waw zabal jaw.
Please read proper stretching. Jim,
Jim waw pen. Jim waw zabar
jaw.
jaw.
Okay, and listen. Look here. Jim, ya, zabar, jai.
Jim, wow, zabar, jai.
What are you looking, Zen? Are you okay? Do you have any problem? Okay, and read without spelling. Jao,
Jao,
jai.
jai.
Okay, is it easy or difficult?
Easy.
Yes, because you have an excellent memory, mashallah. Okay, you are learning very well. You are learning so quickly. May Allah bless you more in your knowledge. Okay, try to read this one by yourself with spelling.
Ha, wow, zabar. How,
Yes, very well. How?
how,
And after that?
ha, ha, yo, zed, he.
Is it Z?
Zabar, he.
No. Ha, ya, zabar, hai. Don't he. Try again. Ha, ya, zabar, hai.
Hi, hi, yo, zabar, hi.
How?
How,
Hai.
hi.
Very good. Now read this one with spelling.
So, wow, zabar. Who,
Listen, look here, please. Oh, wow, zabar. How? Don't round your lips when you read zabar. Open your mouth and raising your voice like wow, zabar. How?
wow, zabar, how.
Okay, now read this one.
Ha, ya, zabar. We,
Why are you not reading with stretching the letters? Oh, ya, zabar. Hoi.
ha, ya, zabar, hi.
How?
How,
Hoi.
hi.
Very good, mashallah. Okay, and listen. Your lesson time has been finished. You have read well, mashallah. And I am sending you a new lesson, lesson number 9 and line number 1. I am sending this line, so you must practice this one at home, inshallah. Tomorrow I will listen, and tomorrow you have to read good lesson. How many times will you recite today's lesson at home? Very well, mashallah. Okay, and listen, it's time for previous lesson time. And your previous lesson, lesson number 6. Am I right?
Yes.
And try to read without spelling this line. Read it.
Kutila.
Yes, very well, mashallah. Now read this one.
Sa isla.
Now read again.
Sa ila.
Seam has pesh on it. Round your lips.
Sonila.
Su'ila.
Suila.
Su'ila.
Suila.
Please read visual sounding letter. Seen as visual sounding letter. Su'ila.
Suila.
And after that,
Puri.
yes, yes, very well. And read again. Read aloud.
Guria.
Very well, mashallah. And tell me, will be pronounced this ya?
No.
Why?
Because it's another sound on top of it.
Because you can say it's used for decoration. We have already learned in lesson number 5. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, now read this one.
Umiri.
Komari.
Komari.
Okay, and read with the spelling.
Kof zabar kof.
Very well, and then?
Bim zabar ba.
And read without spelling.
Koma.
After that,
Rosary.
and read without spelling.
Komari.
Very well, mashallah. And now read this in without spelling. Okay, read with spelling.
Kaf zarki.
Yes.
Ba zabar ba.
And read without spelling. Kiba.
Kiba.
After that,
Ro peshru.
and read without spelling.
Kiburu.
Kibaru.
Kibaru.
Yes, Kibaru.
Kibaru.
And now read this one without spelling. Hushiro.
Ushiro.
Yes, very well, mashallah. Good effort. Okay, now read this one with spelling.
Hamza zabar a, ha zabar ha, dal to zabar da,
Dal to Zabardan.
dan,
Yes, noon voice at the end and read without spelling.
dan.
Yes, very well, mashallah. Okay, listen. Your previous lesson time has been finished. You have read well, mashallah. And I am sending these two lines. So you must practice this one at home. Inshallah, tomorrow I will listen with spelling and without spelling. Okay?
Okay.
So you must practice this one at home. I am sending. And your previous lesson time has been finished. And it's time for question answer time. And you tell me how many letters of madda are there and what are they?
Wow, alif mada, wow mada, ya mada.
And how are the letters of madda pronounced?
With stretching.
How long do we stretch?
1 second.
Very well, mashallah. And how does an alif, waw, ya become madda? Explain it. Alif madda, waw madda, and ya madda.
Alif, zabar before alif
Yes.
comes
So it becomes alif madda,
alif mada.
and then
Before wow, sakina, so becomes wow mada.
well after.
Azad before ya, sakina, so it becomes ya mada.
Excellent effort, mashallah. And tell me, what is mean by the vertical means kadi harakat? Kada zabar.
Khada zabar, khadi zad, ulta patch.
Yes, very well. Kada zabar, kadi zir, and ulta pesh are called vertical means kadi harakat. And tell me, how are the vertical means kadi harakat pronounced?
With stretching.
Yes, you can say with stretching like that in the case of the letters of madda. Do you understand?
Yes.
And tell me, how are the letters of lean are there? Mention them. How many letters of lean are there, Zan?
Wow lean, ya
And
lean.
yes, very well. Can you explain it? Wow lean and ya lean.
Oh, a zabar before a jazm, a wow, sakina.
Okay, listen, very good. Zabar before a waw sakina, so it becomes wow lean, and zabar before a ya sakina, so it becomes ya lean. Do you understand?
Yes.
Is it difficult or easy?
Easy.
Yes, it's very easy. Okay, and listen. How are the letters of lean pronounced?
The letters of lean are pronounced gently in an
Arabic accent.
Arabic accent without any stretching or suddenly pause.
Yes, and pausing. Yes. You tell me shortly, you can say the letters of lean are pronounced without stretching or suddenly pausing the voice. It's simple. Do you understand? Okay. And I am sending these question answers. So you must practice this one at home. Inshallah, tomorrow I will listen. It's a new lesson question answers. Okay. I am sending. Okay. And tell me, how many letters of lean are there? Wow lean.
Wow lean, ya lean.
Okay. And tell me, explain it. Wow lean and ya lean.
Zabar before wow,
Sakina.
sakina.
So it becomes wow lean.
Search becomes wow lean.
And zabar before a ya sakina, so it becomes ya lean. Am I right?
Yes.
And how are the letters of lean pronounced?
With stretching.
With stretching or without stretching?
Without stretching.
Yes, the letters of lean are pronounced without stretching or suddenly pausing. Sudden pausing. Okay, listen, you have read well, MashaAllah. Your rules time has been finished. It's time to read the namaz, kalimas. Are you ready? Okay, and read fourth kalima without look.
fourth kalma tawheed. La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu yuhyi wa yumiitu wa huwa hayyun la yamutu abadan abada zal jalali wal ikram biyadihi al khair wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir.
Excellent effort, MashaAllah. And start fifth kalima, but read slowly. Okay?
Fifth kalma istighfar. Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli zambin aznabtuhu amadan aw khata'an sirran aw alaniyatu wa atubu ilayhi a'lamu
No. Wa atubu ilayhi.
wa atubu ilayhi wa
You miss one part.
min zambin lazi
Yes.
a'lamu wa min zambin lazi la a'lamu.
Excellent effort, MashaAllah. And after that, innaka.
Innaka anta
Yes. Allamul ghuyubi.
allamul ghuyubi.
Very good, MashaAllah. And you repeat after me. Today we will learn next part. Innaka anta. Innaka
Innaka anta
anta. Allamul
allamul
ghuyubi. Ghuyubi. Read again.
ghuyubi.
Should we start next line?
Yes.
Okay, repeat after me. Wasattarul.
Ustasawul.
Wasattarul.
Usastawul.
Listen. Wa.
Wa
Sat.
sa
Tarul.
farun.
Wasattarul.
Wasattarun.
Yes, try to read slight pause. Wasattarul.
Wasattarun.
Uyubi.
Ghuyubi.
Yes, and listen. The first one is Uyubi, Ghain, and the second one is Uyubi. Okay? It's a difference. The first one is Uyubi, then second one is Uyubi. Do you understand?
Yes.
Wasattarul
Wasattarul.
Uyubi.
Ghuyubi.
Yes, and listen. Waghaffarud
Waghaffaru.
Dhunubi.
Dhunubi.
Okay, and I am sending this part. This half ayah. Okay, listen, your class time is enough. You have read well, MashaAllah. May Allah accept what we have learned and did today. Ameen. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your peers. I am sending you today's lesson and kalima. So you must check your inbox after the class. Tomorrow, inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Allah Hafiz.
Love it.